Hello, today I'm going to show you the awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool looking laser rangefinder. It comes by REVASRI. It's a golf, a hunting, a mini rangefinder, which is waterproof. 1,500 yard, meter, or meter as you like, or app, with speed, closest, farthest, 2-point height, VD, HD, horizontal, golf mode. You see, there's a big bunch of possibilities. This is suitable for hunting, golf, shooting, archery, and other applications. 6 times higher power magnification. The range is 5 up to 1,500 yards, including single distance mode, closest and farther mode. Golf mode, 2-point altitude measurement mode, speed measurement. The measuring accuracy of the rangefinder is plus minus 0.5 yards, and the device can switch between meters, yard, and feet. With a measuring speed from 1 second, we won't lose our target so quickly. Measures objects moving in a radial direction. The built-in lithium-ion battery, which is very easy to charge, comes included. The product is compact, lightweight, and durable. It weighs only 140 grams and measures in 97 to 30 to 57 millimeter. It is very small and portable, and it can be easily held in our hand. It is also friendly for girls, adults, and it can also be used for nearly everyone out there. For boys too, of course, men, women, and so on. If we need to go to the golf course to measure, we can also take this product with us. The straight distance and the golf tilt compensation modes can easily help us to master the recommended stroke distance and the rectal distance too. Yes, this product can be rainproof and it is therefore very suitable for hunting, golfing, or wearing outdoors. And it's easy, as you can see. You have to look through this device. When the device is powered off, it is a precision optical telescope. We observe the target with our eyepiece and adjust the knob until the target is clear. It offers extreme fast acquisitions and plus minus 0.5 yard accuracy. And then we can switch it on by pushing the power button. Oh, the power button. The power button. It has 3 units: yard, meter, and foot. Default unit is yard. We long press the power button and the mode button together to switch the units. And we can make a straight line distance mode. We press the M button to straight line distance. We press the power button to measure. Job's done, as you can see. And we have a VD vertical distance mode. We can switch between the modes with the M button. To measure, we use the power button. We have an HD horizontal distance mode, a speed measurement mode, and an 2-point height measurement mode. It's easy to use, as you can see. Get it into the position and have fun and measure the distance. We have farther distance measure mode, we have a closer distance measure mode, and we have, of course, the golf distance compensation mode, and we have a storage mode. Then we can easy peasy make measurements with this laser range finder. That means if your hunt is near you, your prey is there, and you go through it a little bit, to it a little bit closer, and then you like to see how far this maybe lion is away from you. Get this rangefinder and have a look, and then you can adjust your telephoto gun and make a good screenshot or make a good shot by using your phone or your camera system, or also, of course, if you're a hunter, you can use your gun with that too. But it helps you a lot at golf, and also it helps you a lot with hunting. And it is so mini, so it will possible to place it into your pocket and get it with you on the hunt, for example. This is the Rangefinder by REVASRI. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.